In this video, I'll show you how to enable a passkey for your Docusign account, step by step, so you can improve your account security and protect your documents. Start by logging into your Docusign account and clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then go to Manage Profile to access your account settings. From there, navigate to the Privacy and Security section where security options are available. Look for the option to add Passkey and select it to begin the setup process. You may be asked to verify your identity using a code or your device's authentication method, such as fingerprint or face recognition. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. Once enabled, the passkey can replace or strengthen your password login. Keep in mind, availability may vary depending on your device and account type. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.